I raised my girls, my daughters, and hiked with my dogs here up and down Peterson Creek from our nearby family home. And while we were here hiking and the dogs were drinking from the creek and swimming in the creek, we had no idea that there was an issue with contamination of this water because of mining activity above us. I want to commend the work of the Kamloops Area Preservation Society, KAPA, and also Kamloops Code Blue for raising the issue of the worsening water quality here in Peterson Creek. It's in their press release yesterday and also a letter that they wrote to the BC government. They share how the pollution that's evident in the declining water quality in Peterson Creek is due to contamination from waste rock from the closed Ajax mine operation. And the BC government is now being asked with the permitting to increase the monitoring of effluent from the mine into the creek. Water samples demonstrate that they exceed the BC water quality guidelines, and they do this for arsenic, for selenium, for uranium, for molybdenum, for copper, for sulfate, and for nitrate. There was a report prepared by the hydrogeologist Dr. Kevin Morin. He found that the current monitoring is, in his words, woefully inadequate. And he went on and said they do not adequately protect Peterson Creek and downstream waters from the mine. Now, mining certainly has a place in BC and in our use of resources, no question about that. But it has to be responsible mining, and it has to be carried out with effective company and government oversight and monitoring to ensure public health and safety. We find here in the Peterson Creek story, which is flowing right down through the heart of Kamloops, we find again that we must strengthen the mining laws and enforcement. Mining companies must be held responsible, especially when they create a hazardous, dangerous mess. And we need to find a way forward that doesn't place the environment and our own health and well-being at risk. This is yet another reason why I'm passionate about running in this BC election. We can do much better than this. I'm Dan Hines.